Power BI makes data analysis effortless. Think of CSV files as neatly organized spreadsheets that store data. The magic happens when Power BI steps in. It helps us import and transform this data, making insights clearer. And the best part, we can combine multiple CSVs for a deeper, more meaningful analysis. Get ready to dive in. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine manually entering data from dozens of files. Sounds exhausting, right? Loading multiple CSVs into Power BI streamlines the process and reduces errors. It also builds richer datasets, leading to better insights. So let's avoid the headache of manual work and let Power BI do the heavy lifting. Preparing your files is like setting the stage for a smooth show. Bad formatting leads to chaos. Ensure all CSVs are structured properly, with clear headers and no missing values. A little prep work now saves major troubleshooting later. Think of it as tidying up before guests arrive. A Power Query is your best friend here. It automates CSV imports, cleans up messy data, and even merges multiple files. You have the flexibility to shape your dataset exactly how you want. So sit back and let Power Query handle the hard work. Instead of importing files one by one, let Power BI grab them all at once. Using folder-based import is a game changer. It makes bulk data handling easier and even updates automatically when new files arrive. No more repetitive work. If your data is scattered across multiple CSVs, combining them into one dataset helps make sense of everything. Unified data means better insights, streamlined analysis, and more accurate reports. Say goodbye to fragmented information. Transforming data is like molding clay. You shape it to fit your needs. Power Query lets you filter, calculate, and organize data effortlessly, ensuring clarity and precision. Let's make our data work smarter. Errors happen, but don't panic. Power BI helps us identify and troubleshoot CSV import issues. From missing values to mismatched formats, fixing these errors improves data accuracy. Let's keep our dataset clean. Handling large CSV files can feel like wrestling with a stubborn octopus. So many limbs to manage. But fear not, with the right techniques like optimizing data loading, trimming excess columns, and indexing efficiently, you'll tame the beast. Compression methods are like giving your file a diet plan: smaller, smarter, and faster. Let's explore how to make those CSVs work for you, not against you. Imagine inviting guests to a formal dinner. Some show up in tuxedos, others in pajamas. That's what happens when data types and formatting are inconsistent. Choosing the right data types improves efficiency, while structured naming conventions prevent confusion. Missing values. Treat them like awkward pauses in a speech. Handle them well and nobody notices. Let's refine our data to look clean, sharp, and professional. Data without relationships is like a group of strangers in an elevator, awkward and unconnected. By defining primary and foreign keys, using lookup tables, and ensuring data integrity, you're building meaningful relationships. Optimized connections keep your data flowing smoothly, like a well-orchestrated networking event. Let's make those datasets shake hands and work in harmony. A great visualization is like a movie, engaging, informative, and leaving viewers wanting more. Choosing the right chart type ensures clarity, while clean designs prevent visual clutter. Colors. Think of them as mood enhancers. They guide the audience's focus. Highlighting key insights makes sure the plot twist in your data gets noticed. Ready to turn numbers into stories. All right, we've covered some great insights today, but knowledge alone isn't enough. We need action. First, reflect on what we've discussed and think about how you can implement it in your own work. Second, stay engaged and keep learning. This journey doesn't stop here. And lastly, let's work together and make progress. Growth isn't a solo mission, so let's keep the momentum going. Ready to take the next step. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.